Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so mesre and there your first time wa subscribe na click notification bell on the so MI. We hear the latest news be about one sa ebeka metro send your best our screen so not just with this sa pepe MI. News are eba etie for breaking news eba sisi and say and there Sunday. And there is Sunday. I don't know the day you're actually watching this video. Me name Eda would see me and I watch a video. But there I'm a posting video way Sunday. 4th August 2019. Now, it's the Sunday that comes after a year, the controversy, a year, Prophet Beduko bin sem a course. Now, it's here for breaking news at Airbus and they say, Embra Beduko bi warrior na sorry no, Encrophobi, Ebura, wha, one more young madron say, one more air demonstrating. Tiwa will be home pictures near down screen, so I'll be home. Say, Embema, ene Emba, Nambani bi, one more address, Ashe. Red na samoba kaya me the news wey ebrem 2 days ago say efia pokua lady na wo ye adwuma ebo multimedia no a ye friend Vim lady no wo ye na dwen say imba 1000 wo mo ebe mache akọ Beduko bi asori nti no I think this is a subsidiary of that particular event nti no etie for me person be ready comment ni bi eche wo hwe placard ni bi a mba no ekita ebi mo atro say ewe women are not clueless senia Beduko bi ekan no I don't think Beduko bi wo yusu clueless but wo mo de abo say ewe women are not clueless obi nso e de abo ho say Asante women are not greedy and also ka placard ne ho obi nso placard abo kita wo say etie for me ba placards ne de I say women are humans also. Not just say imbanso nipa daseni no sema one more atrotro. Now if you for me person call into the comments na me read the comments ni bitro because comments na nkrofo person to me say nkrofo ni age ade we hu yie pa. Will be to say on this day I declare the Ewes, the Krobos and the Northern brothers and sisters as the most tolerant tribes in the Republic of Ghana, signed and sealed on this day. Not to say asema nipa we can say that way would declare say sebe I before a year Krobofo and notness womo pan na womo ye very tolerant. Not to say womo na wokasa efo mo ho a womo enkahwe na metreke mu de ntani nipa ku we wo kansa same way. Yen say Ghana ha yeti nkrofo ekasa efa krobomba ho nkrofo kasa se krobomba de sebe konfa not de dwaman abomo aha but ye hu se krobofo demonstration on that particular asem em say sa akode kra de ye ndwom ye hu se nkrofo demonstration on that particular matter yen ade a ye kanfa notness for ho so wo mo de tutu asem but wo mo nso wo mo demonstration on that particular matter ho em say I before so senia Beduko bi kansem no Beduko bi nankasa ba bonte me ka say wo mo a wakasa form ho no I before kan ho but I before no kra no ayedin I before asede wo mo ho ofekra no wo mo ayedin we ni nsema Beduko bi kan yo mesre mo enya me na meka nsema Beduko bi kan ne say I before a wo mo eye fekra no wo mo mpo wo mo ayedin na enya mo amu ye dede na ye ni mo amu ye dede e won sema wo kan ne ho nti nipa we ni comment a wo make say on this day I declare the Ewes, the Krobos and the Northern brothers as the most tolerant. Not just say I before I kasa form ho no wo mo call demonstration here ye ni Northern brothers I kasa form ho wo mo call demonstration here Krobofo so Krobomba ya kasa form wo mo call demonstration here na Santifo nkwan ye kokon mo no omo demonstration in Namanti. We ne asema nipa no eka. Obi so say you are demonstrating at the wrong place. Go to the Jubilee and Parliament House. That's the source of our problems in this country, not some prophet church. Ghanaians pan. Not to say obi so eka say demonstration ya mu ye sebe wrong place na mo ye no. Na Ghana ye kan Ghana ye how pan enye asem we na Ghana for ye how how pa the how no if Jubilee House baby our president no ewo nti mo pe demonstration bia ya ho NSM mo ekoye demonstration na enye ha say obi so say fools insulting Krobo women for many years is cool but just this small thing you started crying like baby ha 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 nti asema de pakon kan say wo hwe Ghana nkrofo edi Krobo for atem but nkrofo ayekom na we ka kre bia e ba ye no mo asori se mo koye demonstration obi so say unnecessary demonstration to share comment here but say nkrofo air blast wo mo call demonstration e kra obi so say unnecessary demonstration the government just read the budget last week and they have increased fuel, LPG, increased and introduced new taxes, and a lot more. I can't mention here, but none of you demonstrated against it. But you can gather your strength and time to demonstrate to a comment that won't put food on your table nor decrease your electricity tariffs. Just say nipa we asemo can say nansaya na mbrashe bedwafie eye finance minister wo call ho eye brashe bejani a wo hwe Ghana ye meka say ye sikasem so finance minister wo call ho a wako kasaye efa budget na budget na wako kan ye no nsem epie mu ne se sisi aye increase fuel e wo Ghana ye gas aye isu ye increase electricity so cost na nim nemu no just mo ankoye demonstration papa bia anamo demonstration papa bia nke se mo koye sa demonstration no mo ankoye sa demonstration no na ade abobeye hu demonstration eye asema prophet bia kan sebe emfa eduane emba mo table so eno na mobeye hu demonstration na demonstration we dey eye unnecessary obi so asema wa kan say the Holy Spirit is at work. Bedu Kobi will use the opportunity to preach the gospel to them, and the topic will be change your ways. And also the assembly will be and the will also say people will refuse you apart from hearing your words on strange land, even if they are Christians. People will look at you and perceive you an alien, hearing you are an Ewe. Ewes are not good people. That is the general perception in Ghana. The nipa will so can say wakasa ama sebe I before say woko baby a woko kasa bo ya igbenia nkofo be hu samuel nkofo be hu say eh wo de and there wo be pay duro to pan woko kasa wo ya igbenia na nkofo ebu samuel na yet Ghana ha say I before go through things like this. Nkofo enkahwe wo bia enko demonstration bia and that there yakọ kan ya etwi sebe asantefo kakra bi no mo asore say mo ko demonstration we need say ma wo bi eka obi so eka say you people say that Ewes breed juju. Nothing good comes from an Ewe land. I could go on and on. Surprisingly, we Ewes absorbed all those shocks and still standing strong. Into way so asema work and say sebe Ghana ha say ngofo sorry I won't say I before womo de juju nko a I before sebe ade papa bia emfiri omumu ngofo kan nsem we ni a na nsem we ni a ngofo kan sebe I before womo absorb a shock we na modie kakra bi kam we ni no mo say mo ko demonstration obi nso say fools we are here always. People insult nodness and krobo. Did you ever march or demonstrate on that? And only asema Bobin so eka. Bobin so say these people will never change you. See their faces portraying exactly what the man talked about. Into wosha nkrofo AD sebe. Me dey na me say comments no a team sana na me expect say nkrofo because hey we dem why ya just some work demonstration but it's here for comments and maybe the actual character say wo mo demonstration no nkrofo etu egu omo so di omo atem ye. Very interesting. And say me catch us say asem we buy no nkofu bebre afreme number na me dey to screeners no yes nkofu bebre afreme ebi mo afreme etreme say pastor ne dey say na waka ansem no wanka ne ye na etie for shockingly in laugh dodo na afreme etreme say asem na wo mo eka no and asem na pastor ne kan no eye ne kre they are facing the same thing in their marriages etie for eno ne say na make no obi frame eka sa na one lady so frame wo abrochire na wono so story a wakacha me ne say wono wo abrochire ho na se mo beka ya day a Bedu Kobi eka sa assembly no it was around the same time pastor your friend say Kofi Odro there you can tie no it was around the same time wono so making comments about Ashantis and Kwewufo say sebe Asantefo no womo etina Kwewufo enije so na che say Asantefo no womo sabotage Kwewufo ntia na Kufa the one no I say Asantes and Achim sorry Asantes and Achim the same thing na wo be frame and na back on the crack me say wono wo ya Asantini and na ni kunu mom ya Achim ni ba ni kunu mom time ni wo fie ho enti no wo hwa se nya mia me kan asem we bae no mia maka say say human nature into no sa tribal effect no say ye film into no wa hwe comment a eba efa assembly ho che wadwen e wo comment box ni mo but first of all let me say I was actually expecting 1,000 women to demonstrate but wa hwe picture na di me adanse say mba na ekoye no they are not up to 1,000. But I mean chewadwen e comment box no still chewadwen comment box no comment in the Dawson na as a demonstrators in the ye di omo atem em say comment na me read here no ba kokra anko for a year demonstrators no interna comment me person met ya so otherwise be say me ye bias bi but my share comment ni mo em say wo bia edi a year demonstrators na say but dem me read the last comment we were saying I didn't place value on what Bedu Kobi said until now. In fact, you really reaffirming his position. Not as I say, well, Nipa can say, oh no, there are some Bedu Kobi kind, or no one say, oh, say, because you are sending a Bedu Kobi air can. But, send young Crawford way, I sorry, our more echo demonstration. The trust say, as some Bedu Kobi kind, a yen the crap into or no, they are failure with G a year Bedu Kobi edi, what Ginedi. Chewa Jane, our comment box waiting for Medase.